Okay, finally we'll go deep dive into persisting JSON documents in Couchbase, and yeah, prepare to be here for a ride, and prepare to have some surprises along the way. You'll see that yeah, the basic insert, update, delete has something specific in Couchbase. In particular, when we talk about updates, because updates are document JSON top JSON documents updates in Couchbase are not performed with update statement, update SQL statement. Okay, you'll have to use upsert. Upsert is about update or insert, and yes, update will be reserved for the next section. You'll see that we'll actually modify document fragments, JSON document fragments with update. Yes, you'll see here that we'll explore different ways of creating collections because yes, that's a goal for us right now to create some test data, some small test data because I kept it on purpose small. If you want bigger data, refer to their own samples because they have some big data there. My goal is to keep you focused on the operation to better understand the mechanism of a query, and that's why for me it's important to come up with sometimes with data on the fly, but the data that you could understand better right away. And yeah, we'll start with collection using UUIDs. Yeah, why this? Because you'll see that basically Couchbase is also a key value store. When you store a document, no matter how large, how small this document is, you'll have to assign a unique key to this document in what they call a collection. Okay, so this key right now could be provided manually, and we'll do this in the second collections from scratch. But you can provide automatically unique identifiers generated with a function UUID. Okay, later on, you see on the first place here, we'll explore collections with sequences. Because yeah, just like in any relational database, you can define and use sequences as well. And yeah, you can see along the way replace document yeah with upsert and later on insert or update documents with also with upsert. Delete documents at the end, and yeah, we'll explore briefly at the end the deducting, having a schema inference, yeah, calling an infer function to figure out, what's a structure of our JSON data.